Looking to build the ultimate PC setup? In this video, we're diving into the best Corsair Mid Tower cases that combine stunning aesthetics, smart design, and top-tier airflow. Whether you're after sleek RGB lighting, reverse motherboard support, or future-ready modular features, Corsair has a case that fits your dream build. Stay tuned as we break down the top picks that deliver both performance and style for any builder. I've built quite a few PCs over the years, but the Corsair 3500X instantly became one of my favorites. From the moment I unboxed it, the wraparound tempered glass panels gave me that premium feel, and once everything was inside, it turned into a true showpiece. The three pre-installed RS120 ARGB fans, super bright, super quiet, and ready to sync with my motherboard via the 5V ARGB header. What really impressed me though is the airflow. With space for up to 10 120mm fans and multiple radiator support, I didn't have to sacrifice cooling for aesthetics. Cable management was easier than I expected, thanks to the reverse motherboard compatibility. I used an Asus BTF board, and it looked insanely clean. Now, the one hiccup: if you're running cables to the bottom of your motherboard, do it before installing the PSU space gets tight down there. But honestly, that's a minor issue in an otherwise fantastic case. If you want a case that blends form, function, and flexibility, the 3500X is a no-brainer. It doesn't just look cool, it keeps your rig cool too. Upgrading from my Meshify C, I didn't expect to be this impressed, but the Corsair 4000 DRS blew me away. Building inside it was an absolute dream thanks to the fully modular frame system. I could remove every panel effortlessly, making cable routing and hardware installation feel smooth and frustration-free. The customization possibilities? Unreal. From swappable I/O panels to potential future upgrades like a billet aluminum motherboard tray, this case genuinely grows with you. The InfiniRail fan mounting system is a standout. I slid in my 140mm fans exactly where I wanted for pinpoint airflow, and everything just clicked into place. It came with three ARGB PWM fans that look and run great, though I opted to use my own front fans. Still, Corsair's daisy chain support and 0 RPM mode are top tier, and my RX 6950XT fit like a glove, with the anti-sag bracket aligning perfectly. My only gripe? Some panels feel a bit flimsy when detached, but once it's all assembled, the structure is rock solid. In short, this case nails airflow, aesthetics, and future expandability. If you like tinkering, customizing, or just want a build that evolves with you, this is the case to get. When a friend swore by the Corsair 5000D airflow, I decided to give it a shot, and I'm glad I did. This case made my latest build feel almost too easy. The layout is incredibly smart. I'm running an AMD 9950X, paired with an RTX 5070, cooled by an iCUE EH150i Elite 360mm, and this case handled it all effortlessly. Airflow? Fantastic. The steel mesh front panel feeds fresh air right to your components, and I loaded mine up with Be Quiet fans. It's nearly silent even under load. The included air guide fans are great too, especially with their anti-vortex design. What really won me over is Corsair's rapid route cable management. That hinged door and 25mm of space behind the motherboard tray made hiding cables a breeze. My build looks so clean inside, I actually want to show it off through the real tempered glass panel. Only minor downside? If you're aiming for a minimalist size, this case is on the larger side. But that space gives you unmatched flexibility for future upgrades. If you're building a high-performance rig and want something that's equal parts sleek and practical, the 5000D airflow delivers on every front. Having built PCs in Corsair's older dual-chamber cases, I was excited to step into the future with the 6500X. And visually, it's a showstopper. The dual-tempered glass panels, especially in white, really highlight every detail of your build. But here's the catch. Unless your GPU is also white, like mine, an RTX 4090 Founders Edition, that black card stands out like a sore thumb. It made me wish I had gone with the black version of the case. The iCUE Link system is revolutionary, clean, modular, and sleek, but comes at a cost. The included fans don't use standard motherboard headers anymore. Instead, They require a Corsair hub and proprietary daisy-chain USB cables. If you're not already in Corsair's ecosystem, be prepared to spend extra and retire your old fans. Back-end cable management was trickier than expected due to the hard drive cage and limited mounting space for the hub. Also, the shift from metal to more plastic parts and the lack of dust filters feels like a step down in build quality. Still, with cooling space for dual 360mm radiators and unmatched aesthetics, the 6500X remains a top-tier case, just one you'll need to plan for more carefully. I've used a lot of PC cases over the years, but the 5000T LX ARGB might be my absolute favorite. The moment you power it on, it turns heads, thanks to those ultra-bright Aurora RGB light strips and 3 pre-installed LX120 fans. No hotspots, just a gorgeous, smooth glow that makes your build look next-level clean. Inside, it's roomy. I'm running a 5090 GPU and a 1500W Corsair PSU. Everything fits beautifully, though I had to ditch the HDD cage, which I didn't need anyway. If you're using HDDs in 2025, I'd honestly suggest a NAS instead. The iCUE link system makes setup and cable management refreshingly easy. With the included hub and reverse connection motherboard support like Asus BTF, there are almost no visible cables cluttering up the view. That alone is a game changer. Only real limitation? If you're using a GPU support bracket like the Asus ROG Herculex, it won't fit comfortably with a massive card like the 5090. Small price to pay for how clean everything else looks and feels. This case nails aesthetics, airflow, and usability. If you're building a showcase-worthy rig with serious horsepower, the 5000 TLX RGB delivers and dazzles.